First, take a square tea wrapper and fold it from tip to tip, making a triangle. Next, fold it upwards, from the bottom tip to the other, and unfold. After that, fold the side tips to the center line, then rotate the figure 90 degrees. The next thing to do is to fold the sides to the center line. Go for it! Fold the figure in half like this, then unfold. Now fold the sides to the center line upwards, like this. You're almost finished. All you need to do is round off the points. And there is your heart, from trash to treasure. Thanks for watching.